Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger did not answer on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here. And you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then it's going to take you to apps window. In this window, and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app. Then you click here on Messenger app, then it's going to take you to next window, and you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, you click here on storage, then it's going to take you to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you go to next window here, you go to or you go to Play Store, your Play Store, then you just search for your Messenger app. It's going to show for you like this. You find here update, you click on update, and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.